Creating a gradient in MS Paint is a classic and clever trick since MS Paint does not have a dedicated gradient tool, so you can create a smooth color blend by using a line and the resize tool. So for this you need to open the MS Paint and choose the line tool from the shapes menu. Now you can draw a diagonal line from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. So make sure the line goes exactly from edge to edge without leaving any gaps or the paint will leak in the next step. And now head to the select the fill with color tool and click the paint bucket icon. Here it is. And now choose your first color, for example blue, and click on the one side of the diagonal line like this one. And now again choose the second color, for example this one, and click on the other side of the line like this one. This is the where the magic happens. You are going to shrink the image to a single pixel. Wide to force MS Paint to blend the colors and then stretch it back out. For this you need to click on the resize button on the home tab. In the resize and skew window, uncheck go to the pixel and uncheck the maintain aspect ratio. And now change the horizontal value to 1 and leave the vertical value exactly as it is. Now click OK. Your image will look like a tiny thin vertical line. Now again click on the resize button and now again go to the pixel and uncheck the maintain aspect ratio and put the horizontal value like 4500, or you can put the value back to your original canvas width, but you can enter whatever width you prefer your final image to be and then click OK to proceed. And here it is. MS Paint will stretch the single pixel column across the canvas, creating a perfectly smooth blended gradient between your two chosen colors. So this way you can easily make gradient color in MS Paint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.